Alright everyone, here we go with the lesson 8.4 file. I'm just going to give you some of the answers really quickly for some of these examples. If you want to pause the video so you could check your work, you should do that. Here are all the answers to example 2. And then here are all the answers to example 3. Pause your video, check your work. Alright. Here is the answer to the first multiple choice. It was D, 3, 14. The next multiple choice, the answer was B. Two things that you should look at. The fact that this parabola is opening down, which means that the first value you see should be negative. The A value is negative. So right there, that is going to eliminate this one and this one. They're both out because those are positive A values. So it's got to be either A or B. And then the next thing you should think about is, how is this parabola wider or narrower, would you say? That parabola looks wider to me. Wider means that the A value is going to be a fraction. It's going to be less than 1. And also A is negative. So those two characteristics right there should let you know that the answer is B. The other thing you do is just find the vertex. The vertex is 2, 5. So you could figure that out, and then you'll know the answer is B. Here are the answers to this one. The red one looks the widest, so the A value, the first value you see, should be the fraction, right? The blue one is shifted up 4 units, so the +4 at the end. See that? And then the green one is a standard looking parabola, but it's just actually shifted to the left 4 units. So that'll be part C. Let's do these together, a couple of these, and then I'll give you your assignment. So just write out the types of transformations that are occurring. So for number 7, you see a negative sign and a 2 in front. So the negative sign means that it's going to reflect it down, and the 2 means it's a stretch, and it also means it's narrower. Okay? So for the next one, the only thing I see that's different is from y = x squared, which is the parent, is there is a 2/3 in front, which makes it a vertical compression. That fraction makes it a compression, which means it gets wider. Okay? Next one, another fraction in front, another vertical compression, where it gets wider again. And there's also a negative sign there, which means it's going to reflect it down. Okay? This one, the only thing going on here is that piece right there, that's a vertical translation by 4 units. It's going to go be a translation down 4 units. That's typically how those numbers work at the end. They move your vertex up or down. This one's another one translated up 5 units, and you see a negative sign here. So it's going to be reflected down, and it's going to be translated up 5 units. Another way that you could tell where it's moved, and how we did the examples up above, calculate the vertex. The vertex is negative b over 2a. Well, b is 0 in this case. So 0 over 2 times negative 1, that's just going to equal 0. So your vertex is 0, comma. So if you plugged in a 0, you'd get 0, 5. So the only place this is moving is up 5 units. So we'll end there. I want you to try these last 2 examples right here, and then today's assignment. And this slide is just a summary of all the things that we discussed. This graph is pretty useful. It just shows you how the parabolas can change, can be reflected or stretched or compressed or moved around. And then your homework is this slide. Nice easy assignment today. Very short and sweet, so just do this slide and these two practice problems up above. Right here, numbers 28 and 31, and we'll call it a day. All right, everyone, see ya.